Hello, I am Don Rennie, one of the owners of Blastoff Wash Systems, and I will also be your narrator for today. Thank you for viewing the presentation. We don't wash cars, we power wash them. That's a huge difference in touchless car washing at your location versus your competitors.
Let us prove to you that Blastoff has clearly unmatched impact at 45 degrees.
Let's put a beast in your bay. Welcome. You are about to view Blastoff's high surface impact vibration readings versus some of the main competitors. You may be as shocked at the results as we were. We always knew Blastoff's power was far superior to competitors. Finally, we figured out a fair way to measure it. But some owners say it's the chemicals that really clean the car, right? Nonsense. If that were true, all touchless car washes could utilize the site's freshwater system at 60 psi instead of a high pressure system. And we all know that won't work. You need great chemicals, plus Ferocious sidearm high pressure impact, extreme surface agitation, never flat fan nozzles, high pressure striking the surface at 45 degrees, and thunderous onboard wheel and rocker blasters and cleaning system. These standard features on Blastoff are not collectively available on competitors' machines. Blastoff's undercarriage operates at 1000 psi with 4.5 gallon per minute nozzles. The nozzle size is about double of other machines' high pressure sidearms, so their sidearm impact is 50% less than what I experienced here. Your customers will definitely feel Blastoff's undercarriage. About 18 inches above the nozzle, which is the standard impact distance of the car's surface for most machines. It feels like garden hose pressure. That's what's impacting your customer's car, garden hose pressure. About 12 inches above the nozzle, which never impacts the surface, you notice a bit more pressure, but no surface agitation or stings. At about 4 inches above the nozzle, again, which never impacts the surface, you notice a modest pressure and a slight sting. No surface agitation. I apologize if the PowerPoint unilaterally vacated the video, and I cannot find a solution, but you get the point. Please understand that when other manufacturers say they're using 1000 or 1200 psi, that is measured at the base of the nozzle. So when the flat fan nozzle's water impact is about 18 inches away from the surface, you only feel a slight pressure, providing negligible impact and minimal cleaning of the customer's car. Conversely, putting your hand 3 feet away from Blastoff's high pressure nozzles with a cone pattern will get you about 100 stitches in your arm and hand. Literally. Sorry, I will not demonstrate this, and never should you if you choose a Blastoff. Here is a video of the vibration meter readings of Blastoff compared to Laser 360, Wash World Razor, Coleman's Water Wizard, Ryko's Radius, and the Pettit AccuTrack 360i. Don't blink because it's over quickly.
There's a big reason we named it Blastoff Touchless Wash.
Now that you watched the video, let's compare the sidearm impacts with Laser 360, Wash World Razor, and the Water Wizard. Blastoff's impact cranked out a 93.1. Comparing Blastoff to Laser 360, Wash World's Razor, and the Water Wizard, they only averaged a dismal 6.4, which means Blastoff has about a 14.5 times greater measured impact in surface agitation than these 3 machines. For the last 2 machines, we compare Blastoff sidearm impact to Pettit 360i and Ryko Radius. Ryco Radius came in at 14.6 and the Accutrek 360i at 25.9. But compared to Blastoff's 93.1, these two machines still came in substantially lower. It means Blastoff has a 6.3 times greater measured impact than the Radius and 3.6 times greater impact than the high-dollar Petit. Fact: except for the machines we designed, built, and manufactured since 2004, no other touchless wash we are aware of has a touchless dedicated onboard wheel chemical application that finds the tire, coupled with Ferocious wheel and rocker blasters that also agitate the surface. End of story. Beware, some of the big companies use a set of blaster trees at the entrance of their wash. They also call it pizzazz. Without any soap or wheel chemical being applied first, these trees are just about useless. Any chemical guy should tell you never wet the vehicle surface before the soap is applied. Never, because you instantly hyperdilute the soap on contact, which substantially reduces its performance. Don't use these style of blasters. This pizzazz is not helping you at all.
Hey, let's get real for a second. My question is, how do you think these 5 competitors' machines can clean as well as Blastoff, considering their dismal surface impact ratings and without any onboard wheel cleaning system? Well, the answer is they simply cannot clean as well as Blastoff.
Please call me anytime with questions or to learn more about your car wash needs, or maybe even to dispute some of our comparisons. 833-438-2254, extension 1. Thank you for viewing the presentation.